Well, the countdown is going to be on now officially. T-minus 40 days till the first day of spring, which is going to be coming at you March 20th. We've got 20 days left in February, 20 days in March till we officially enter into the spring season. Almost had a hint of it today, even though it was a cold day, but that sunshine really went a long way of making it feel quite a bit better. Downtown Toledo, calm conditions. The southerly wind just beginning to pick up, and as that southerly wind elevates our temperatures tonight, we will go rising tonight into tomorrow morning. So it is a little unusual. You think after dark it gets colder. Well, if you open up that free WTOL 11 weather app, check it out hour by hour. We're going to go rising well into the mid-30s with that southerly wind and an increase in the cloud cover tonight. Had that gorgeous, brilliant sunshine. We're just starting to get the cloud cover spilling in. And we've got a cold front and a clipper system that's back to the west, just entering towards Chicago. And if you look very close, there's not much activity with that front. Very limited rainfall, very limited flurry activity. More so just an increase in the cloud cover and some of the winds that will work into the area for tomorrow. We are in the mid-20s in Toledo, 24 down toward Bowling Green, 28 in Findlay. Pretty much going to call this, though, the lows of the night. And we're going to go rising through midnight and into tomorrow morning. Should see highs reach near 40 tomorrow. Another clipper system that's going to send us into the upper 30s into Friday. But I'm going to call it a not so super weekend for us. We're going to be dropping back into the teens and 20s into the weekend Saturday. And look over toward L.A., Los Angeles, where they're going to be hosting the Super Bowl this weekend. Saturday's high, 87 degrees. A heat wave occurring across the Southwest, including Southern California, and into Sunday, right around kickoff time. We're barely cracking 20 degrees. Out toward Los Angeles, 86 degrees. Incredible difference across the country in how it's going to feel this weekend. Our hour-by-hour forecast. There's our southerly wind picking up. Clouds will increase by tomorrow morning. A very narrow window of a couple isolated showers or a wet snowflake ahead of a cold front. Front comes through, turns us a little breezy. Nothing unusual. Southwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting above that at times, and a few flurries late in the day as we turn slightly cooler. More clouds going to be expected tonight. We'll call lows in the 20s, but rising through the 30s into tomorrow morning. Right around 40 for the daytime high tomorrow, mainly cloudy, brief chance of a rain or snow shower. That extended 10-day forecast, Thursday, a few snow showers, highs right around the freezing mark. Friday, we do get another clipper into the area on Friday, light rain-snow mix, and if it lines up just right, may get a slushy inch of an accumulation, nothing more than that. There's your 20s for the weekend. Sunday morning, cold, single digits, and we'll stay cold into early next week. Valentine's Day near 30, and a couple days, Tuesday, Wednesday, that reach into the 40s as we go into next week.
As we've talked, pretty quiet for the next 10 days, which I guess after last week we're kind of due, aren't we?
We were kind of due to kind of even things out. You know, I did do some diving, Dan. I do expect that the past 3 weeks that we just had will likely probably go down as the 3 coldest weeks of the winter season and the 3 snowiest weeks of the winter season.
So you think we're past the worst?
I think we're past the worst, so we've hit the bottom. Will it still snow? Of course.
Yeah.
Will it still get cold? Of course. We know that could happen into spring. But I do think that all told, when we look back on this winter season, the past 3 weeks that we just had, we've had some pretty decent cold through late January into early February, including that big blockbuster storm.
You know what,
week.
though? Knock on Formica, glass, whatever it is. We've not had the real severe cold. We have not had the high of 3 degrees, something like that.
It's been persistent with the amount of cold, but it hasn't been overwhelming. Nothing unusual, nothing we haven't seen in our parts this time of the year.
Chris, thank you. That's great news.